Practice is kind of like playing guitar. First, you need to create a time where you're going to sit down, you're going to practice, you're going to look at the book, you're going to play A, it's going to sound like shit, it's a shitty A, you play your shitty C, you play your shitty G, and that's like meditation still, you know? So you're playing, okay, I got that, I'm fucking slamming on that. And then you start learning chords or in scales, and then you eventually learn to jam. So then that's still meditation in place of consciousness. Now you can stay just as conscious as you're engaging with a woman. So first you can engage with her when she's in a really sweet moment and she's pleasant and she's doing just what you want, but you can bring depth to that. Then she's not doing what you want. Then she's totally irritating. But because you have the scales, you can now artfully apply it there. And then you start bringing that into your workspace. You start bringing that into, and just so you know, because this is something I work with a lot, how you animate yourself in the workplace might be totally high frequency. Like you might be work on Wall Street, and you can't be like, let me breathe slow. It's like, no, it's not fucking appropriate. So you can engage in the craziness, but it's the ability to keep the perspective of consciousness as you're watching yourself do that. So you're consciously participating in the chaos, but you're doing it from a place of realization. You recognize you're doing it.
You're witnessing yourself do it all day long.